Spanish Town man dies in Clarendon crash. Father and 6-year-old son killed in Portland car crash. Easter Monday tragedy, 17-year-old boy drowns in alligator pond. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 44-year-old Alton Ailes of St. John's Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, perished in a vehicular crash on the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon on Sunday, March 31st. Reports are that about 7:10 p.m., Ailes was driving a Toyota Probox motorcar from Savannah Cross District towards Sandy Bay in the parish. He was reportedly maneuvering along the Bustamante Highway when the Probox motorcar collided with a under-vessel motorcar and overturned. Ailes and a woman who was a passenger in the Probox, along with the driver of the Honda motorcar, sustained injuries from the collision. They were taken to hospital where Ailes died while being treated. An investigation is ongoing into the incident. A 6-year-old boy and his 53-year-old father died as a result of injuries they sustained in a two-vehicle crash along the Ferry Hill Main Road in Portland on Easter Monday. The deceased have been identified as Jaden Bl00dy, a resident of Sherwood Forest, and his father, David Bl00dy, a resident of Zion Hill, both neighboring communities in Portland. Police reports are that about 10:18 p.m., Bl00dy was driving a gray Suzuki Swift with Jaden and another little girl as passengers when the driver of a red Toyota Corolla attempted to overtake the Swift, resulting in a collision. Bl00dy and the two children were taken to hospital where he and young Jaden were pronounced dead. The other child, who has been identified as Jaden's sister, has been admitted to hospital in stable condition. The driver of the red Corolla has been warned for prosecution. More details to come. The Manchester police are probing the suspected drowning of a 17-year-old boy in Alligator Pond, Manchester on Easter Monday. The deceased is Nathaniel Thompson, a student of Alphonsus Davis High School in Spaldings on the Manchester-Clarendon border. Reports are that about 10:30 a.m., Nathaniel and his relatives went to an area of a popular beach known as Sea Riv, where the teenager went for a swim and got into difficulties. Despite the best efforts of divers who responded, Thompson's body was retrieved from the water. It was removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination.